Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel Learn with Your Buddy, and today I am here with another video of our C programming series where we are going to learn about type conversion in C. Now, type conversion in C is the process of changing the data type of a variable from one type to another. One is implicit conversion, which is made automatically, and other one is explicit conversion, which is made by the user, I mean us. Now let's know about implicit conversion. It's done automatically by the compiler, and smaller data types are converted to larger data types. Here I have written a code for example, but we will explain this later. Here we have declared three variables a, b and result. We have float, character and double. Now we will see if the result will appear in float or character or double. For this, let's just see here. Here we have equation. Now here float will be float, but here we have a. Before this, let's just see one thing, that character is of 1 byte and integer is of 2 bytes and float is of 4 bytes and double is of 8 bytes. Now let's think I have two water bottles. One is of 1 liter water and the other one is of 2 liters of water. Now if we fill the 1 liters of water bottle with 2 liter water, it will lose some water, okay? But if we pour 1 liter of water in the 2 liter bottle, then it will not lose any kind of water. So that's how our code will work here. If we convert an integer to a character, then it will lose some data. But if we convert the character into integer, it will not lose any data. So that's how we will convert our integers to float to double, and thus the result will come in double. At first we will see what portion we need to do at first. Here at first we will do the portion where f by a is written, and then we will do the other portion of the plus where is written f into x minus d, and then we will have a plus, and then we will get the result. Okay, we can see that here we have a f which is in float and a. Here a is integer which has 2 bits and float has 4 bits. So yeah, integer will convert into float, and here we have float and the x is an integer which will convert into float. Now we will make the float together, so it will result in float, and the other floats will also result in float. And here we have one d, I mean double. Now as double is the everything will convert into double and it will result in double, so thus it will not lose any data. That's what I am trying to tell you guys, that how the types converted and it resulted in a way that no data is lost. We will learn about it while coding more, but now let's know about the explicit type conversion. Well, it's done manually by the programmer and it uses casting syntax type conversion. Here in the example we can see that the total is in integer, but we have made the total to float. That was explicit, okay, that we converted it. Here I have written a code. Now let's run it. We can see that the implicit result and the explicit result. Here the implicit resulted in double and the explicit resulted in integer, we can see. Oh yeah, that's our types conversion in C. I hope I made it clear to you guys. And if you guys find my videos useful, please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. So yeah, that's all for our learning phase. We will do project in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.